Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Improve your English through picture description. A happy family is spending time together in the living room. The father is sitting on the green carpet. He is wearing a purple shirt and green pants. The mother is sitting on the yellow sofa. She is wearing a green top and blue pants. A little girl is standing behind the father on the sofa. The girl is wearing a pink dress. She has her arms raised in excitement. The boy is sitting on the carpet near the board game. He is wearing a red shirt and blue pants. The boy looks very happy while playing. There is a brown dog sitting near the window. The dog is smiling and looks playful. A board game is placed on the carpet. Two game pieces are on the board. Some cards are lying next to the board game. The window has purple curtains tied to the side. The sky outside the window is blue. There is a yellow sofa in the room. A white pillow is placed on the sofa. A brown side table is next to the sofa. A small green plant is on the side table. A red lamp is also on the table. A piece of cheese is lying on the floor near the table. The carpet is large and green. The family is enjoying their game time. The girl looks very cheerful and full of energy. The boy seems focused on moving the game pieces. The father is watching the boy play. The mother is smiling at her children. The room has light blue walls. The curtain tieback is yellow. The dog has brown fur and a white tail tip. The dog has big eyes and a happy face. The father is leaning back on one hand. The girl has brown hair tied back. The mother has short black hair. The boy has short brown hair. There are two drawers in the side table. The lamp has an orange stand. The white pillow looks soft and fluffy. The window has 4 glass panels. The game board has a winding path. The cards are red, green, and yellow. The floor is white under the carpet. Everyone seems relaxed and joyful. The room looks bright and tidy. The cheese on the floor looks out of place. The family is spending quality time indoors. The atmosphere in the room is warm and loving. Subscribe to the channel for more picture description.